For more than 30 years, thousands of delighted owners have had their new and used cars enhanced and protected by the comprehensive range of Supagard treatments, all designed to keep your car looking newer for longer. Supagard protects your vehicle's paintwork from the harsh environment that surrounds it, that can damage the paintwork, fade and corrode the surface. Supagard is professionally applied by trained technicians, and all you have to do is wash the car. Supagard does the rest, keeping your vehicle protected. The tough, high-gloss barrier bonds to the paintwork, seals the surface against harmful UV rays, acid rain, bird lime, mud and dirt and road salt. Once Supagard has been applied to your car, there is no need to polish the car again. All it needs for ongoing maintenance is to wash the car periodically. Supagard Interior Guard is an invisible barrier that coats each fibre of your vehicle's fabric and carpets with a resin-based formula which won't wash out. The barrier helps reduce friction between the fibres, prolonging their life. This allows the fabrics and carpets to retain their natural texture and appearance. The coating prevents staining while preserving the texture and appearance of the material. Dirt and spills can be vacuumed or wiped off with a gentle cleaning solution. The product also prevents pet hairs from becoming intertwined within the carpet or fabric, which makes cleaning much easier. Supagard leather care products help preserve, care for and protect the new look of your leather seats, and our specialised cleaner and conditioners gently assist in maintaining the supple, natural feel of the leather, whilst protecting the surface against any annoying stains, dirt and spills. Once coated with our leather preserver, liquids and oil can't penetrate the hydrophobic barrier, so spills or dirt can be easily removed. For more information about how to protect your new car with Supagard, speak to your dealer today.